Good morning, students. In the previous class we discussed binary addition and binary subtraction. In this class let us understand ones complement and twos complement subtraction. See, what is the drawback of binary subtraction? We cannot subtract smaller number to larger number, isn't it? We cannot subtract a larger number from smaller number by using those binary subtraction rules. But using ones complement subtraction and twos complement subtraction, we can do the same. We can do the subtraction from smaller number to larger number and also larger number to smaller number. Before going to study ones complement subtraction and twos complement subtraction, let us discuss what is meant by ones complement of a given binary number. See here. So this is given binary number 1011. How to get the ones complement? We have to replace all ones by 0 and all zeros by 1. 1011 and 0100 is the ones complement of this number. So what you need to understand? First, how to get the ones complement of given binary number. How to get? We have to replace all zeros by ones and all ones by zeros. Next, ones complement subtraction. Ones complement subtraction. This is a method to subtract binary numbers. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್. First you need to learn the rule. We have to follow some rules in order to get the result. First thing, first we have to identify the minuend and subtrahend. Okay, here 110 minus 010. So this is the minuend and it is a subtrahend, which is going to be subtracted. It becomes a subtrahend from which we are going to subtract, that is a minuend. Okay, then we have to take ones complement of subtrahend first. First rule is we have to take ones complement of subtrahend. Take ones complement of subtrahend. You'll get 5 more questions on this ones complement subtraction and twos complement, and also on conversions. Take ones complement of subtrahend. Next, second step, add the ones complemented binary number to minuend. Step 3, if the result having end around carry, I'll tell you what is end around carry. End around carry, CAEAC, end around carry. Add this carry to the LSB, least significant bit of result. It gives the final result. So let us understand what are these methods and how to implement these in a ones complement subtraction. Let us consider an example. Example 1. So 1011 base 2 1001 base 2. Directly I have given here, we have to subtract this number from this number. So it is the minuend and this is the subtrahend. This is minuend and this is subtrahend. Now, as per the rule, take 1's complement of subtrahend. Which is the subtrahend here? 1001. This is a subtrahend. So, step 1. 1's complement of 1001 is, you all know how to get 1's complement. I explained here. So, we have to replace all zeros with 1 and 1s with a 0. 0110 base 2. Step 2. Add the 1's complemented binary number. This is 1's complemented binary number to minuend. Step 2. So minuend is 1011 plus, you all know binary addition, 0110. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, result is 0, carry is 1, 1 plus 1, 0, result is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, answer is 1, 0, here 0 is the result, carry is the 1, here no bits are there, I have to put carry here. So it exceeds this range, this is called end around carry. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ರೇಂಜಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಂಡ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, EAC, end around carry. If the result having end around carry, add this carry to the LSB of the result. LSB means least significant bit. Step 3. 0001 plus this carry, LSB ಗೆ add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 0, 0010, 0010 ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದು. He has given in a binary, so you keep as it is, should not convert into decimal. So what is the question here? 1011, 8421, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, it is 11 and it is 9, 11 minus 9 2, we got the same thing. And if there is no end around carry, if there is no end around carry, then take the 1's complement of result and put negative sign and put minus sign. So in this example we got end around carry, so this step 3 I have to apply and I have to ignore step 4. So these two steps are common whether there is end around carry or not end around carry. If there is end around carry, we have to apply this method. If there is no end around carry, we will go for this method. The first one, subtract 1011 base 2 from 1100 base 2. So the given numbers are binary numbers. Let us write the same. From this number, which number I should write first? This number, 1100 base 2, 1011 base 2. Okay. Now step 1, 1's complement, this is minuend. This is very important while writing which is a minuend and which is a subtrahend. You have to identify subtrahend one's complement of 1100 is 0011 base 2, isn't it? So this is the subtrahend. 101 0100. I had written minuend, sorry. So we have to take one's complement of subtrahend. Next, step 2, add this one's complemented number to the minuend. Add, you have to write these steps. This 2 1100 base 2. Add this one's complemented number to minuend 1100. Next, how to add 0100 plus 1100. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. Here we'll get end around carry. So this is called end around carry. Step 3. Add end around carry to the LSB, least significant bit of this. Now it is the result. 0000 is the result. LSB of 0000. How? 0000 plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 000. So 1 is the answer here. What is the number? 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 2, 10. 1, 11. 12 minus 11. Answer is 1. So we got the same answer. Next question. Next, second one, subtract 9 base 10 from 15 base 10 using Ones complement subtraction. You have to very careful while doing subtraction. Sometimes they'll ask binary subtraction method, sometimes ones complement method. Ones complement subtraction. First we have to convert into binary number. So from which number to which number I have to subtract? From 15 to 99. 15 to 9, no? 15 is the minuend and 9 is the subtrahend. 15 base 10, 9 base 10. 15, what is the binary equivalent of 15? 1, 1, 1, 1. 9, directly I am writing here. I hope you all understood how I am writing, how to convert a decimal to binary. 9, 8 plus 1 is the 9. Now, step 1, ones complement of this is minuend and it is subtrahend. Ones complement of 1 0 0 1 is 0 1 1 0. Step 2, add 0 1 1 0 to minuend, that is 1 1 1 1. How? 0 1 1 0 plus 1 1 1 1. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, answer is 0, carry is 1, 1 is carry, 0 is the answer, one more 1 is there, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. Here we got end around carry, E A C. Step 3, add end around carry to the result, which is the result here 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 to the LSB of result 0 1 0 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 1 0, base 2. Here what is the value here? 8 4 to 6, 6 is the answer. 15 minus 9, 6. The question is in decimal format, so while writing the result you have to convert into decimal. 6 base 10. You should not forget to convert. ನೀವು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಡುವಾಗ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಯಾವ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನೋ ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. Next question, third question, subtract 6 from 20 base 10. Which is the minuend here? 20 is the minuend and 6 is the subtrahend. What is the binary equivalent of 20? 16 plus 4, 20, no? Here 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. 16, 0, 1, 0, 0. 6 means 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, but remaining bits I have to write 0 here. ನಿಮಗೆ 6 ಅನ್ನ ಬೈನರಿಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಕೆ 3 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸಾಕು. 3 bits are enough, but to balance here, to balance with this number, we have to write 2 more 0 here. Illi baribeku 0. Now this is minuend and this is subtrahend. Next, step 1, ones complement of 2 subtrahend 0 0 1 1 0 is 1 1 0 0 1. So ones complement of subtrahend, this is the ones complement of subtrahend. 0 0 1 1 is the subtrahend and its ones complement is 1 1 0 0 1. Step 2, I will continue here. Step 2, add 1 1 0 0 1 to minuend 1 0 1 double 0 plus 1 1 0 0 1. 0 plus 1 1 0 1 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. So this is called end around carry. We have to add this end around carry to the result. Step 3, add end around carry to 0 to LSB of 0 1 1 0 1. So that would become 0 1 1 0 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1 1 1 0. So 8 4 2 12 14 is the result. 16 minus 4, 20 minus 6 is 14 base 10. The question is in decimal number system. So after getting result, we have to convert that binary number to decimal number. Next, subtract 24 base 10 from 19 base 10. So which is the subtrahend and which is the minuend here? 24 from 19. From 19 you have to subtract 24. Here the question is different. So far what we had discussed, there we subtracted a larger number to smaller number. In this example we are going to subtract from smaller number to larger number. You have to observe here. So 19 minus 24. What is the binary equivalent of 19? 16 8 4 2 1. 8 16 plus 3 is the 19. 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 24 16 plus 26 24 16 plus 8 is a 24 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, now this is minuend and this is subtrahend. Now step 1, so as per the rule we have to take ones complement of subtrahend. Ones complement of 1 1 triple 0 is 0 0 1 1 1. Now step 2, add 0 0 triple 1, that is one's complemented number, to minuend. Which is the minuend here? 1 0 0 1 1 is the minuend, no? 1 0 0 1 1. How to add? 0 0 1 1 1 plus 1 0 0 1 1. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 1 1. Is there any end around carry? No, we won't get end around carry here. So what is the rule? What we discussed? If there is no end around carry, how? We have to take a ones complement of the result. Step 3. There is no end around carry. There is no end around carry. Therefore, take ones complement of the result. 1 1 0 1 0 is 0 0 1 0 1. And step 4, put minus sign. Minus 0 0 1 0 1. So what is the decimal equivalent of this number? 5, no? Minus 5 base 10. 24 minus 19. Sorry, 19 minus 24. Minus 5. We got the same. Minus 5. Next, fifth one, subtract 84 base 10 from 16 base 10. So here we are going to subtract from smaller number to larger number. 16. What is the binary representation of 16? First we have to write minuend and subtrahend here. 16 is the minuend and 84 is the subtrahend. 16, 8, 4, 2, 1 and 84. So let us write 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. 64 plus 16, 80. Isn't it? 4 plus 6, 10. 6, 7, 8, 80. 80 plus 4. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So we have to write bits from LSB 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0. Now step 1, this is minuend and this is subtrahend. One's complement of subtrahend, that is 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 is 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 base 2. Next, step 2. Now we had taken 1's complement of this subtrahend. Now what is the next step? That subtrahend I have to add it with the minuend. Add 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 to minuend, that is 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Zero one zero one zero one one plus 00 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Step 3. Is there any end around carry? There is no end around carry. So as per the rule, take 1's complement of 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Step 4. Put minus sign with the result. Minus 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 base 2. Let us see what is the value that. See 84. 16 minus 84. What is the answer? 16. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8. 68 we have to get. This is 8, 16, 34, 32, 64. 4. 64 plus 4, 68. Isn't it? So finally we have to write minus 68 base 10. So I hope you understood how to subtract larger number to smaller number and smaller number to larger number using 1's complement subtraction. Thank you.